Alright people, I'm going to give you the tour of the Roadster 2000 Caravan that is parked outside my dad's house here in Emerald Beach. Nice. So I've got a little bit of gym equipment here, Swiss ball. As you come in to near the entrance, got some shoes, little gym equipment, and Gracie. This Caravan comes with a cat. Oh Gracie, bless of you, blessed be you. So coming into the entrance, we've got Ganesha over here. Nice little seating area as you come in. I've got some pictures, photographs. There's a really cool workbench here. Kettle, toaster. Loads of storage for foodstuffs. It's got loads of storage up here as well. That one's a massive storage. Plenty of storage underneath the bed. I've got this cool little turtle poster up here, which is cool. Hang pan. And that's about it. Got a fridge here as well. It's probably a small fridge, maybe 30-litre fridge. Not entirely sure. It does the trick though. And that's it. That's the C-Van.